Nice healthy river bass. And that was on the KVD 1.5 square bill bluegill. I've been seeing them. Actually, those two that came by me earlier, they were chasing a bluegill. So I was like, it only makes sense for me to put on a bluegill crankbait, and he hammered it. So we're gonna see if we can't get another one. I'm so good at fishing. Oh, that's a decent one. That's like at least a 3 or a 4. Oh, yes. That's what we came out here for. Good little 3.5. Not bad. That's a really good sized fish for out here on this river too. It's called the Hall River, but that's a good sized fish right there. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get her back in the water. There we go. Bam. Another one on that square bill, KVD 1.5. Alright guys, so I actually didn't even get to finish this video like I wanted to because it all of a sudden started storming. Now, you can't really see it like right now, but it started storming way upriver where I was at. I probably paddled about like 3 to 4 miles. So I was way up there. Next thing you know, it started thundering and lightning. So I threw the GoPro in the box really quick. Didn't want to get it messed up. Then I just started paddling for dear life, and it's cleared up right now, but it's still supposed to hit. So I guess I'm just going to continue this video then, and we'll figure out if we can catch anything else out here. So stay tuned. What's up guys, this is part 2 of the river fishing video. I actually got rained out as you guys just saw, so I'm back out here today at the same spot. Throwing a little bit of a different bait. I threw the crankbait a little bit earlier, but didn't get too much. But we're out here grinding, trying to catch them in this summer heat. So stay tuned, and we'll see what happens. Oh my gosh, one ate it. Oh my goodness. Guys, that was crazy. I was trying to reel it to get it away from that log, and he ate it right beside of it. That was crazy. Oh my gosh, one just ate it right there. Oh my, are you serious? Guys, I was getting out of backlash and he ate it right there. I watched him do it. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that was a big one. I was hung in the tree when he hit it. There he is. That's not the one that just hit it, but it's a fish. Finally. It's the first one we've actually landed on that little popper. There went a brim. Oh my God, he ate it too. Yep. Called that one. Another one. I'll tell you what, these salmon guns right here, they want to eat it for some reason. That's a bass. That's a bass. He's a decent one. He ain't huge, but he's decent. That was a really weird fish catch because it wasn't even really a current break. I was throwing it in front of the tree, so he hit it out in front of it, so I guess he came out from underneath the tree to hit it. Still not a huge one, but nice little fish. A little bit better than the last one. Can't beat it on top water though. Guys, I just had a bass completely blow this out of the water, and I didn't have my GoPro recording. And then I pushed my button in the middle of fighting him to try and get the camera on, and he came off. That was crazy though. I think I'm finally to some deeper water where there might be some more fish. Like that. Oh, not a bad one. About a 2-pounder. Good Lord, these river fish are insane. Heck yeah. Definitely this deeper water is helping. Best one today. Decent fish. He's about 1.5 pounds, 2 pounds. He's nice and healthy though. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and get this one back in. Try to catch us another one. There he goes. Oh my gosh, another one. They're stacked in this. Tree, guys. Oh my gosh. Not near as big as the other one, but oh my goodness. They're stacked all in this tree. It's crazy. Do I get him back? We gotta throw in this tree again. Oh my God. That was another big one. That was definitely another big one. I actually didn't even get a hook in him, so he might bite. Oh, there he is. I'm in the tree. I'm under the tree now. I think I got him out. Yeah, I got him out. Another good one. Damn. That is the third one I've caught out of this tree and like the 5th bite, I think. If I would have capitalized, I would have had a limit in this one tree. That is insane. Another nice healthy fish. Nothing huge, but very nice healthy fish.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable.